Hey guys, this is Tech Pro ICT Solutions, the Center for IT Solutions. Now I'd like to show you on how to create a matrix ring using the command prompt. Here is our code. You are going to enter the code on the notepad. After typing our code, you come to the file, save as, and the file name, let's have any name. For example, in my case, I'm going to type Stack Pro. Then I save the file extension as stackpro.bat, and the save as type should be all files. Then of course I'll be saving it on the desktop. After that, you can close the notepad. Here is our setup. Then you can right click and run as an administrator. That's what is going to happen. You can see it is like some rain. Then in case you want to stop this, you are going to type Ctrl+C. Then you will be asked to terminate the batch. You click Y, then you press the enter button. That's how we do it. Make sure you subscribe to Tech Pro ICT Solutions. You can like, share and comment on my videos.